Hey, it's me, Ethereal Alien. Does anybody else not identify with the name they were given? I guess a lot of people do. Or I guess a lot of people don't. I just don't feel like I'm a Christina. I don't know. The fact that the word Christ is in it just a little too much for me, dog. So I thought it would be fun to do a little makeup look. I have a bunch of makeup that I have literally never used or I've only like swatched. And I want to use some of it today. I thought it would be exciting. Of course I want to do a pink look because it's my favorite color and also it matches my hair. So, some of the new products I have that are not new and I've had them for like a year, but I don't ever really use them. I have this NYX Ultimate palette and I literally haven't even thrown this part away. I also have a couple eyeliners. Oh, I have three, hold on. I have 3 NYX eyeliners, obviously. One is in pink and one is purple, and this one is white. It's actually the waterproof white because I heard that the regular white was kind of crackly. Where do I start? Oh, I already put like a light base on. I don't know if y'all can tell because you can still see my pimples. They would look a lot worse if I had not covered them up first. So we're just gonna go right in, I think with blush, because I love blush. Take off the glasses. Look at that forehead shine, y'all. So I've got my tools assorted. Pretty much all of my brushes are Real Techniques. Most of them are Real Techniques. I do have one treasured Sigma brush. Let's get started. I'm gonna take, why is there hair in this? It's like bristles from the brush. It's not hair. I don't have any black hair. But yeah, this is the Lime Crime blush, software blush in Flower AI. And it's kind of like a pinky purple tone. Now, what I don't like about this blush is it is a cream blush. And I did not realize that before purchasing. I don't really know how to put on cream blushes, so it doesn't usually go that well for me. I mean, look, that is bright. I'm scared, y'all. What if this doesn't work? I was watching Kaylee Shabib and she was talking about how she thought somebody took her name on TikTok before she could, and she was upset about it. So she went to go message them and realized that it was her and that she had created it forever ago. I did the same thing. I did the exact same thing. So I have this account that I've never used and I finally logged back into it and I started filming my first TikTok today. So y'all will see that. What am I doing? I don't know what this is. I just wanted to put pink all over my face with a really dramatic wing. And I want to try out at least one of my new liquid eyeliners that I've had for a year and I've never used. But I did swatch them, so I know I'm not allergic to them. Swatch your stuff before you put it on your eyeballs, people. Whoa, this is getting really pigmented. What sucks is if you look up close, it like this cream blush, you really can't tell, but it like digs into each one of your pores. Probably why primer is so important. And like each one of my pores is like neon pink right now and sticking out, but only up close. What did I do? I think the way we fix this is by adding more. What is this? There's like a hole right here and right there. I do not recommend this blush, or maybe I just don't know how to freaking use it. Also a possibility. You know what? I am starting to feel myself. At some point, I have to put down the blush. Cause you were 1 in a million, there ain't a man like you. My God, did y'all see Doja Cat's live performance, her live Vivo performance of Streets? Where she's in that bath of milk. I literally just got a shiver down my back. I don't know why I do my blush like this. I must have seen like a beauty guru do it at some point and I was like, that's what I do with this. I saw someone do this once and I was like, guys, am I gonna turn this out or am I not going to turn this out? Leave a comment down below. I'm putting the blush down, y'all. That took all of it off. Guys, makeup's supposed to be fun. Why am I not having fun? I want to take one of these purples. I kind of want to keep it like pastel, but maybe I'll mix them. Okay. I have the worst posture when I do my makeup. I always end up in extreme back pain when I'm doing my makeup. Did y'all see me with my eyes fully closed doing this? Aren't you supposed to look? What am I don't know, it doesn't matter. I think I want to put a little bit of this purple across my nose. I just wiped off the tip of my nose by barely touching it. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this lime creme blush sucks hella knob. You know how they say trust the process? I'm not trusting this process. This is just a clean brush and I'm blending. The tip of my nose keeps literally wiping off. Can you see that? That's not reflection, that's just makeup that has disappeared. So I think I'm just gonna go over it with this powder. I'm just going over all the blush because it's not staying on my freaking face. I'm honestly considering just throwing away this lime creme blush because it doesn't stay on your freaking face. And if you have to set a blush in place, which I can't even do because I tried to take a clean brush and like blend it and it just takes it right back off. So like, I literally love lime creme. Like, please do not get me wrong. But this product just ain't it. And maybe I just don't know how to freaking use it. So all this is gonna get blended out, y'all, don't worry. What do I do about my under eye here? Do I just blend it all the way up into my eye? Oh yeah, did I mention this blush cost $20? What if I blend all this down and it actually looks amazing? Oh, it's just taking it off. It's literally like picking up all these tiny little spots. Like, look at that. I'm not too worried. I can't do anything with this. I can't do anything with this. I'm throwing this away. This is a lesson. Sometimes, you know, things don't work out the way you want them to, but it just means that now you can do better things. Just cleaning off my brushes. All this horrible, horrible, horrible makeup. Listen, most of these aren't even pimples. I've just had a lot of anxiety and depression lately, so I've been picking my face. I'm just taking concealer all over the bitch. I do have another blush that's really old. I think I'm gonna pull that out and see if we can't do something with it. It's not a very good blush. It basically has the consistency of like chalk. This is just my powder, but I'm working with what I got. I really wanted that new ColourPop Valentine's Day edition blush with the heart packaging. I saw that before it came out and I like waited until it was released and they sold out in 1 minute. So ColourPop, please restock. I think I'm actually gonna layer a couple blushes. I used to do that back in the day and it worked well for me then. Base is done. I'm just gonna go in at first with my trusty NARS Orgasm. This just looks like I'm putting my skin color back on. So it's a really good starting base. And then I'm gonna put some brighter colors on top of it. Trust me. This blush is great, but it's not pigmented really, but it gives your skin the most beautiful finish. You guys remember the makeup I put on earlier? Crazy, right? Listen, if that had all blended down, we would have had ourselves a look. Blending is your friend, blending is your friend. I got the blush. It is a Julep blush, which it's the only product I have from them. It was given to me. It is the Glow Pore Minimalizing Blush in, did I say minimalizing? Minimizing in Petal Pink. And it is very bright pink. I don't know what brush to use because I just fucked this one up. I mean, I just have to wash it, but I'm not gonna do that right now. I think I'm gonna take my contour brush and just like, okay, we're good. I'm nervous to use this because A, it's very old. B, there's a ton of fallout. Did y'all see that? Still going. Tons of fallout in this thing. And it is quite bright and doesn't go on very evenly. But it has to be better than the lime crime one we used earlier, okay? Best thing about this blush is you can actually blend it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is already turning out way better. It would not look this good if I didn't put the NARS Orgasm blush underneath it as like a blush base. Because this blush, she patchy. Put some on my eyes. Okay, okay, we're doing okay. I'm gonna blend this. Love a blush that blends. Blending is your friend. Let's just never talk about the makeup I did earlier. Ever, 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 ever. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we are good. Found it hard to find someone like you. Next, I'm going to highlight, and I have quite a lot of colors. Oops. I have quite a lot of colors to choose from. I always end up going for either the purple in this or the pink in this. Although that green is out of this world. I think I'm gonna go for the purple for this look. I literally just take my finger, and you see how indented it is? My finger's the perfect size. You know what's funny is I actually hate using my fingers for my makeup because I hate getting my fingers like dirty, but they just work so much better than any of the tools I have. I saw that TikTok or whatever it was that said your left side of your face is how you perceive yourself and how you like come across to the world, and then the right side of your face is how you actually feel about yourself. And like, all right, I'm gonna put this in the inner corners. Okay, I'm gonna take this liquid eyeliner, which is waterproof, and I'm gonna be like down here focused. I wonder if I can like pull you down. Can everybody see me? Can you all hear me? It's my favorite Harry Potter character. If you know who it is, you win $1 million. I don't know who's gonna pay it to you, but whoa, I've never tried that. That's like the whole hooded eye thing, which I clearly have hooded eyes. Look at that. Who would have thunk? All right, well, here's the fun part. Just gonna take a second and breathe. Meditate on this eyeliner. Okay, I think I actually did it. I'm really impressed with the fact that I got this eyeliner on. So I have an idea of kind of turning this part of my face into like the night sky, because I have white eyeliner and I want to do like little dots and like stars and stuff. Hold on, I want a little bit of purple just on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, I'm gonna blend that out. Cause you were 1 in a million, there ain't a man like you. What did I do? Look at that, that's so cute. That was a dot that I made on accident and I turned it into that. This is so cute. Okay, I want to try doing another one of these. I don't really have a steady enough hand for this, but I am trying my best. I want to do some like really tiny ones. Just like, oops, those are not tiny. Oh, should I do them on my nose? These are like freckles, but stars. Oh my god, stars are freckles of the galaxy. Right now the nose looks a little bit too much like freckles, so I'm gonna turn this one into a little star. My hand is shaking so much. Y'all, I think I just did something. I'm gonna put some lashes on and the finishing touches and like straighten my hair and stuff, and I'll be back. 3, 2, 1. I turned this bitch out. I just posted my first TikTok with this. I'll leave it linked down below. Go watch it. Go watch it. I've actually been looking for this dress for like a year. Finally found it in my size on Depop. 1 in a million, there ain't a man like you. I'm so proud of myself. Like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. You know the drill. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Yada, 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 yada.